Well, howdy, folks. Guess what day it is today? Yep, it's true. It's my birthday. And I'm an old man, just another year older, and loving every minute of it. I asked for one thing this birthday. My birthday wish was that maybe I'll reach 1,000 subscribers. Well, that didn't happen, but you know what? I got pretty close. It's so close I could almost reach it. Well, today for my birthday special, I'm gonna make a cake that I just loved as a child that my grandma made me. I'm making a sherbet cake. Watch me make it in my kitchen on my birthday. I'm gonna start with the metal bowl because I'm putting this in the freezer. So here, I've taken a metal bowl, I put some saran wrap on it. I didn't find a recipe for this cake. I'm just making it how I think it's made. So this is just a 3-ingredient birthday cake. Softened sherbet, angel food cake, and some Cool Whip I'll be using later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of just gonna put a little softened sherbet in here, followed by, I'm gonna grab my angel food cake, and I'm just gonna rip it up, put little pieces in there. And I'm gonna keep doing the layering, sherbet and angel food cake. And how easy was that? Simple. Well, I'm just gonna cover it and put it in the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow I get to taste it. All right, it's frozen pretty good. Now it's time to frost it. I'm just gonna flip it over. There it is. I'm gonna remove this plastic wrap. And time for some frosting. Spread on some whipped cream. Look at that. And some sprinkles to top it off. Now it's time to freeze it again just for a couple hours. Put it in the bowl upside down, wrap the bottom, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer like this. Yes. Okay, I only waited 1 hour. I'm too excited to celebrate. Let's dig in. Yes, here it is. Sherbet cake. Let's try it. I am ready for this bit of nostalgia. Back to childhood. Childhood sherbet cake. Cheers. Wonderful. Great memories. Yes, it is still a little soft and it needs to go back in the freezer. I just had to have one little slice. This is making my birthday extra special. Thank you so much for watching. So thankful that you're here joining me in my kitchen. I couldn't ask for a better gift than to have you as a part of my life. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Why do some people get heartburn after eating birthday cake? They forgot to take off the candles.